If you're over 40, or honestly just someone who's new to YouTube and you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed by this mysterious thing called the algorithm, you're not alone. Today I'm going to explain it in plain English, no tech jargon, no confusing graphs or numbers, just a simple, real-world, plain English way of understanding what's really going on behind the scenes. And by the end of this video, you're going to realize two things. One, the algorithm is actually trying to help you. Two, but actually, it's trying to help itself more. But it's much simpler than you think. All right, so first, what even is the algorithm? Think of YouTube like a giant library, millions of videos, and the algorithm is like the librarian. Are you scared yet? It watches what books you pause to consider, pick up, flip through, and check out, eschew even. And based on what you like, all of those micro actions, it suggests more videos it thinks you'll enjoy. You see, the algorithm's job is to find the best video for each individual viewer. Not the best video overall, just the best video for you or me. It's not favoring big channels or punishing small ones. It's just trying to predict what will you want to watch next. That's an important point. Based on your behavior at the YouTube library, the librarian, the algorithm, has observed it wants to give you more of what it thinks you'll enjoy to keep you on the platform. It wants you to stay and it wants you to watch more and more and more, or mark to watch later. Either way, it wants you to come back. If you're not going to stay, it wants you to come back. So how does it make those decisions? The algorithm mainly watches a few things. Number one, watch history. It looks at what you've watched before. If you watch a lot of cooking videos, guess what? YouTube is going to serve you up a lot more cooking videos similar to the ones that you've been watching before. Or based on all the other activity that the librarian, the algorithm, has observed you doing and watching, it's just going to serve you up what it thinks you are going to want to stay and keep watching. Number two, click behavior. It tracks the thumbnails and titles you've been clicking on. If you keep on clicking videos about RVs, it's going to keep serving you up videos about road trips in RVs or similar kind of cars, because are RVs cars or camper vans? I don't know, but you know what I mean. The most important thing to YouTube is time that you spend on the platform. It wants you to stay. I don't know. Whose song is that? It's like that Stay song. I want you to stay. Yeah. Not the same. Number three, watch time. It doesn't just care if you click. It cares if you stay. So if you click a video and only stay for 10 seconds, that's a bad sign for that video. Okay? That's from YouTube about that creator's video. But if you watch the whole thing, that's good. Or, what's even better, is if you binge a few videos afterwards. And videos that get a lot of watch time, the algorithm thinks, great, let's keep serving that up to more people. Like a drug. If it's a good drug, well, we want a lot of people to get hooked on it. No, we're not talking about the D-R-U-G word. But, you know, it's kind of like, yeah, we want the people to like it. If the people like it, the people will stay on the platform. And if your content, your videos, encourage people to watch them all the way through, maybe watch more of your videos, and then the algorithm's like just throwing more videos your way, more videos your way, and you are clicking until you realize, okay, I just didn't sleep all night and now I'm due at work in half an hour, then the algorithm's happy. So in short, clicking on a video, watching it all the way through sends a signal to YouTube to sprinkle water on that video and give it some food, because that plant will grow, baby, grow. And we're just going to sprinkle those seeds everywhere and just see who else likes this plant. Now, here's what's important for creators in 2025. The algorithm just LOVES these things. It loves longer watch time. If your video keeps someone watching like 5 or 10 minutes, that's good compared to a video that keeps people watching for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. That pretty much describes, that's a pretty good comparison, because a lot of people do ditch out after 5 seconds or even 10 seconds. For some people, 10 seconds is 5 seconds too long. Do you know what I mean? Have you seen videos like that? Hopefully not on my channel, right? Okay. Hopefully not on my channel. You are not seeing videos that you only like for 5 seconds on my channel. Please, YouTube gods. So yeah, YouTube sees you as valuable if you keep people watching your video. It loves clear titles and thumbnails. The people should know what your video is about, like really, really quickly. Think about when you are scrolling and how long it takes for you to make a really split-second decision about whether you fancy that video or not. Like really, how many thoughts are going through your mind? Yes, even while you might be doing the washing or doing some emails on your work computer or cleaning. How quickly, when you are just stopping from scrubbing that toilet and you're doing a quick scroll, taking the gloves off, of course, or washing your hands, you are scrolling, and just think about how fast you make a decision to click on a video. There should be no confusion and no clickbait. Say someone who did a clickbaity video herself, but I did change the title. I changed that title. So I flew too close with wings of pastrami, and then they started to fry. So then I just backed away and I changed my title so that it wasn't very clickbaity. But anyway, this isn't about me and my own clickbaity videos. This is just what I'm recommending to you, that your titles and thumbnails should be clean and clear and not confusing. And if I haven't emphasized it enough already, YouTube loves session time. So session time, you might also hear it being called time on platform, top, session time, top. It's all good for YouTube if you or me are helping people come in and stay a while. Make yourself at home, make yourself comfy, stay a while, look at all the nice videos that I have got for you to just peruse and not jump out of between 5 and 10 seconds. Okay? Come on, at least 15 seconds. At least 15 seconds. But yeah, that one could feel a little bit sneaky, but it just is. Okay? Who are we to judge when we are just making the videos, posting the videos, praying about the videos? But yeah, we are not, what is the word? Anthropomorphizing. Anthropomorphizing. You know what I mean? I just mean kind of making a thing into like a person. Anthropomorphizing. You know what I mean? I know that I don't need to put that on the screen because I know that I attract a high IQ crowd. So I know that you know better than me what that word is. I don't even need to put it on the screen. I'm not going to put it on the screen because I know that you know that I know you know. And yeah, so to sum that up, if there was a plane flying in the sky and it had a message trailing behind it, if you're helping people have a good time on YouTube, because you're helping YouTube, YouTube will help you, right? Okay, so let's talk about what happens when you upload a video. First, YouTube shows it to a tiny group of people, like maybe your subscribers or even just some of your subscribers, or maybe people who have watched similar content before. If those people click on it, great. If they watch it all the way through, even better. If they comment, or even share it, boom shaka. That is when the clouds will part for you, my friend, and you will hear some singing. You will feel the warmth of the sun shining down on you. And that warmth is the approval of YouTube. If they comment, like it, or share it, you have hit the jackpot, because each positive signal is like a snowball rolling down a hill. And if that snowball keeps growing, YouTube keeps showing that video to more and more people. So what do you think is happening to that little snowball that you have pushed off the side of that hill, and it is rolling down the hill? But if people ditch out really, really quickly, or they skip your video, or they just don't love it, whatever it is that shows YouTube that they don't love it, well, what's going to happen to that snowball? That snowball, my friend, is going to start melting. Like in a bad way, not like in an ice cream on a hot summer's day at the beach kind of way, where it's just all good. Okay, your little snowball that is melting because YouTube are blasting a blowtorch at it, because that's how much negative love your video's been getting. Well, that's not good. That's not what we're going for here. So for better or worse, that's it. There's no luck. There's no magic. It's just human behavior. And I have to say that even when I look at some videos and they have seemed to be on easy mode and I've seen them blow up really, really quickly, well, I can recognize a whole bunch of factors about a channel or about these early videos that just took off for the creator. I can recognize quite a few things in there that will have captured people's attention, imagination, just everything, and you've won their time, which is the currency in our lives, and YouTube wants it. It's just human behavior. It is just human behavior. For better or for worse, if people show negative amounts of love to your video, then that's not good. Okay, so you just need to try a little bit harder on your next video, because not every video is going to land the way that you want it to land. So next time you hear the algorithm, just replace it with the words librarian, with eyes at the back of its head, with spooky spying eyes at the back of its head and the sides of its head, just everywhere, all over its head. Eyes, 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 eyes. Yeah. Maybe my thumbnail needs to be a librarian with eyes, anthropomorphizing I don't know. I'm still hung up on it. You can see I'm still hung up on it. All right. So, okay, right. So the next time that you hear the word algorithm, and we are moving on slightly now from the librarian analogy, think of the word matchmaker. I know. Do you feel like you need a wash now? I kind of do. Yeah. We've gone from the innocence of librarian to the back alley seediness of matchmaker. But ChatGPT told me not to think of the algorithm like some big scary monster. Okay, we started off with librarian and we've ended at matchmaker because it's trying to connect the right videos with the right people. And if you're a creator, well, the onus is on you to make videos that people want to click on and watch. And then maybe they'll want to watch another video of yours and another video and similar videos. And then time's going by. And then before you know it, you're due at work in 3 hours. That is the kind of session time that YouTube dreams about. Bringing it all back in now, thinking about the essence of what YouTube wants. Make videos that people want to watch. Make videos that people want to click on and that they want to watch. So in order to make that happen, V, not for vendetta, V for value. You need to make videos that provide value to people. That could be knowledge, it could be knowledge, it could be entertainment, it could be infotainment, it could be a whole bunch of things. Think about all the reasons that you watch YouTube, but focus on serving real people. So what did you think of that? Did that help? Are you a creator already, or are you still on the fence thinking about starting your YouTube channel? I would love to hear where you're at, and if you've got any questions, do ask me, but I hope that illuminated things for you just a little bit.